Hello. I'm here in a place I don't know.
Scamander.
Scamander. This is the Scamander beach.
Scamander Conservation Area. Ito sa sandbar doon. Ouch.
Let's go closer to that area.
Yung mga boat
Man, I hate this sand.
The sun is so fine.
But the sand loves you.
May mga sinilaso ng mga sapatos. Sapatos nila.
What are you eating?
A sandwich, ice cream. I think.
Lamig daw, maksibundong. Mas lamig ma maksibundong. It's better than yours.
Okay. Dati lang daw mo.
Milo.
Mas lami ako.
Oh. Pero mas tamis mo eh.
Okay. Lami rin.
What can you say about your ice cream?
Yeah. Sweet.
Is that it?
Yes.
What can you say about your ice cream?
Very delicious. Taste like ice cream.
It is ice cream da. It's not like ice cream. It is ice cream.
What can you say about your Milo? Milo in a scoop.
Tastes good.
May pasidali. It tastes good.
This is my area in Australia. I'm going to put a accommodation in that area, restaurants, accommodation, and probably on
Side?
that side, probably I'll put the parking lot. Yeah. Okay. Only in my dreams.
Looks like a very good plan. Very good plan, da. Bata, ligid-ligid oh. Ligo. Nindot man liguan ko dire. No.
Sinilas ka ba? They have slippers. In the car.
Wash out sa balon.
Hindi, naligo mo kita yun na. Nabalitok.
Pero maligo, gusto ka nila balitok.
Di kayo puti ang bus diri no? Pero daghan kay siya shells dao.
Mugta nito na.
Dito ang nafisa. honest about it.
Hi?
They're using dry soup.
Ah, dry sweet. I haven't wear. That's called dry soup. Dry.
Yes.
Oh, look at that.
It doesn't.
Look at that.
It doesn't get your body wet.
That's why it's called dry soup. Tingnan naman how come there's so much
She sells
Yes.
seashells by the seashore.
Shella sells seashells by the seashore. Dadagan kayong seashells daw. Ano ka ni dano? Konting alini no, unsa ba? Dinhi tingay ni sa
Bawd.
nangamatay. Kusog kaayo. Nindot ya dong ba i-surfing dong ba surf? O dong mag-surf ka dong ba?
Dakuha to. Yung bait.
Ha?
Sa account tarang sa dada. Half lang.
Ay! Mabasa ko. Di ko gusto magpabasa. Lagi. Ay, di ko. Layo na ka.
Punta na namin.
Layo na kayo.
Half lang.
Tao ba?
Si John daw.